Deep in the wild, two young elephants begin their muddy adventure. The smallest one struggles, slipping, sliding, trying to climb the hill. But every fall only makes him try harder. Step by step, he pushes forward through the thick mud. His older friend walks beside him, never rushing, never leaving him behind. Together they climb, together they learn, and together they conquer the hill. Because in the wild, just like in life, a little support makes every challenge easier.